But for us at this moment, fear is plentiful. We possess an equal number of fears as we possess anything else. We have an equal number of fears as we have anything that we love. The more of these there are, the bigger they are, the more our fears exponentially increase. It means there are things you love very much that you will lose a lot. You look towards the future with so much fear of losing. Now, we used to fear individually our fears. Now we have fears on behalf of humanity. Yes, we have global fears regarding the continuation of the human race. The Almighty makes us experience fears of being collectively destroyed. Today, a lady who is knowledgeable in this field, in other words, a professor of viral things, is saying, so again, she says, be grateful for that thing, meaning that the coronavirus is a very innocent virus. He says, if this were the spreading Ebola, it means when someone catches Ebola, it's like taking their life. So Ebola must be that bad. So what it's saying is, be thankful, right? Like it takes a few, 3 or 5, 3%, 5%. An innocent virus, I mean a figure that is terrifying, ranging from 3 to 5%. Furthermore, I'm examining the results, i.e., the difference between the recovered and the deceased. The figures are around 20% globally now. Those who contract this disease either recover or die, isn't it? When you see it, some recover, some die, deceased 70%, recovered 90%. But even so, the woman advises gratitude, implying a very harmless virus. If it were Ebola, then it means that the Almighty is also making us think about this. Look, with this spreading so easily, I am only giving you a message. If I distribute the opposite gender in the same manner, at times Allah may take half of it, or 3/5, 4/5, 8/10, 9/10, or Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, who possesses the ability to send something that captures and takes away everyone it ensnares upon us. To reason, to show respect for the Creator Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, but it is evident that many individuals still feel uneasy and uncomfortable, even when reading about the matter, as the one that exists between us and the Almighty, the Supreme Being of the universe. In other words, no event happening on this earth is outside the knowledge, power, and might of the Almighty. Therefore, as a result of a relationship between the Almighty and us, even when you try to read this, it mocks. Just as the Almighty said, the hour has come near, and the people are in heedlessness, turning away. No mention comes to them anew from their Lord, except that they listen to it while they are playing. They mock and ridicule everything that warns them. May Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, guide us. Indeed, there is no fear upon you. It means that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. So, if this can happen, right now the governor of the ghost town New York, the man is really going all out, trying to figure out what to do with people. It's like they can't fit in the corners anymore. What you call a corpse has become a normal thing. In this manner, as much as possible, lean on the edge of the chair, place on a flat surface, and tidy up to the best of your ability. So, undoubtedly, he is conveying to the president, please wait a moment, I am here struggling enough as the governor of this state. So, in other terms, Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, did not leave behind any constants for us. Wasn't it America where children could be born there so that a good future, where all conditions are in place, providing security, giving great hope for the future, and so on. So nothing may remain as it is. Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, is currently demonstrating to us that He can reverse everything. While we have the opportunity to observe this abundantly, and to harness the power and might of the Almighty to foster respect for our servitude, to advance towards the love and pleasure of the Almighty in a rational and reasonable manner, instead of merely taking steps, truly people, our fellow beings, undermine the Almighty by mocking in a very different and disparaging way, thereby diminishing the significance of His divine presence and disregarding the profound impact of His benevolence on our lives.